Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English, Upper Intermediate 75. Getting help. In this lesson, you'll practice pronunciation of words beginning with the h sound, and we'll look at using the verb do for emphasis.
Hello, I'm Harry, the happy homeless person. It's very hot today. I think I better find some shade.
We're now going to watch a short movie, and after that, we'll have a short quiz.
Are you okay?
A big truck came out of nowhere, hit my car and drove away. Everything is such a mess. How could this have happened?
Take it easy, okay? Have you called the police?
No, in the confusion I forgot. I can't believe this. I just spent $500 on repairs last week.
Are you okay? You aren't hurt?
No, that's a relief, but my neck does hurt.
Oh, maybe you are hurt. All right, we're gonna call the hospital just in case.
Why me? Why couldn't that truck have hit someone else? This is the last thing I need right now.
911, how can I help you?
I'd like to report a hit-and-run car accident. My friend has just had a car wrecked and she might be hurt.
Okay, sir, what's the address?
The address is 119 East Main Street. Please hurry.
Now it's time for the quiz. What exactly happened to Vivian?
A big truck came out of nowhere, hit my car and drove away.
A truck hit her car and then drove away without stopping. Greg later called this a hit and run. What does Greg want to know about Vivian? Do you remember?
Are you okay? You aren't hurt?
He asked her if she was hurt. And did she say yes or no? Was she hurt?
No, that's a relief, but my neck does hurt.
Vivian said her neck hurt. Notice she used the auxiliary verb does before the verb hurt. We often include do or does to add emphasis or to clarify information. Vivian wasn't hurt badly, so she said no at first. But on second thoughts, she did feel some pain. To make it clear, she uses does. So what did Greg do next?
911, how can I help you?
I'd like to report a hit-and-run car accident. My friend has just had a car wrecked and she might be hurt.
Greg called for help. How can I help you? Hit, hurt, help. All these words start with the voiced h sound. Here's a very useful phrase we learned today. This is the last thing I need. We use this expression when we feel frustrated or angry, when we have too much bad luck.
Why me? Why couldn't that truck have hit someone else? This is the last thing I need right now.
Now let's test your memory. Do you remember what it's called when someone drives away without stopping after causing an accident? You did remember. It's called a hit and run. And do you remember what verb we use for emphasis? Yes, you do remember. And you're right, I did just use it. And can you remember a phrase we learned in the film which we use when we are frustrated or angry about something? Well done. The answer is, this is the last thing I need. In this lesson, you practiced the pronunciation of h. You learned how to use do for emphasis and you learn the phrases hit and run and this is the last thing I need.